Guys, so it is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm making myself bacon and eggs because I'm trying to be a little bit healthy. I've been really bad this week in terms of like eating and stuff like that. So just trying to make better choices this week, or at least today. I dropped Laura to work this morning and Aussie's at work, so it's just me and my little guy down here. My little bird. Baby. Hi, Guidi. I call him Guidi because, like, some people can't say sweetie. They will say, like, Guidi. Like, hi, Guidi. So, sometimes his name's Guidi. Okay? Sometimes his name is Guidi. I haven't made eggs in so long because it's usually Aussie and Laura who make our eggs. And I don't like my eggs like overly cooked, if you know what I mean. Like, I just like it half cooked. I used to hate it when my dad used to make them like that. It used to irritate me because I'm like, yeah, we know you eat half cooked eggs, but we don't. But now you could not make me eat it any other way. So I think 3 eggs is pretty good. I usually have it with a small serving of hot rice, and then I sprinkle seaweed flakes on it with bacon. This is what I like to eat to lose all the kilos. I don't usually have this much rice. I probably have a little bit less than this. But I'm feeling so hungry lately. I'm so ravenous. Ravenous? At the moment. I can't even, it's like a struggle for me to fast 16 hours lately. And I usually do like 18, 20 hours. Easy. It's only been 12 hours and I'm already breaking my fast because that's how hungry I am. I really love eating it with my chopsticks because it just makes me feel like it's a fancy meal. It's running down, but I usually like to make it run down. Hold on. I usually like to make it run down on the rice. Thank you, Father, for this food. Rice is a bit hot. This cream cheese is so nice. I love it. Love it so much. This is the one I get from Costco. The battery's gonna die. Hey guys, welcome. Welcome back. I'm not sure what day we're on at the moment, but it's Sunday. We just finished church and I went to Kmart to pick up my photo order, and I'm a little bit annoyed because they didn't give me the option to, like, okay, for example, if you're getting a square photo or you pick a square image, let's say they can't see you. You pick like, okay, so think of like a photo that you take on your phone, which is like portrait, and then you only want a square of it. They didn't give me the option online to pick like which part of the portrait you wanted to cut as a square. I hope I'm making sense. They just went from the top, wherever a square was, from the top, instead of like positioning it to the middle. It's mostly upper body only. It's a little bit annoying. Like, let me show you, hold on.
And then you're gonna get a 20 bob.
So this is one of them. I've got an idea with this one, and I'm gonna put them on this wall here, so line them up and have 9. Guys, so this is what we've got so far. This one's meant to be the last one, but I really wanted to change the last photo. And I was thinking of getting like a family sticker to put on the side on the bottom here. So that looks really nice. Hey guys, good morning. The camera's flashing, guys, so I'm going to be vlogging on my phone, but we're on our way to pick up Laura's glasses, then take her to her learner's test. She's about to get her L's. Isn't that right, Laura? How do you feel? Nervous? We still got a little bit of battery left. We just had some breakfast. Aussie and I have got a coffee. Our coffee orders are always dirty chais.
Me, I got $17 for this coffee.
Oh. Oh, nice.
$17. Are you matching this one? Try this one.
It's because it's their real spices. Oh, this is 2 before 10.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, they got a cafe here. Yeah, this is organic stuff. They use like real herbs and spices.
Almost half.
It's our first meal of the day. Laura had a quiche. I hope this lighting is good.
Why is your face straight at you?
Because the quality of the back camera is better than the front.
No, that's wrong.
Okay then.
Wow.
Oh, Laura, do you want to try some of this chocolate cookie? Huh? Oh, I should have showed you guys before what it looked like.
$5.99. $6. Wow.
Yeah. So we're going to do Laura's license now. The next time you see us, we're going to be with a learner driver. Yeah, there's someone fitting a wedding dress. She looks beautiful. And also, it cost me $600. It's just not worth it. If I was to ever get married again, I'm just gonna soot your white offal from Samoa, because it's something you only wear once. You never wear it again. Special or not, we need money, not spend money.
Just give me my money.
Ooh.
See, Laura can see clearly now.
Can you see clearly now?
I can see clearly now. License done, guys. We got a learner driver here. Hi, learner driver. Tell us how you feel.
They're not rushing.
Face off speech. No, she has to wait in the mail.
For like 2 weeks.
Yeah. Pass your thing. Yeah. This is her license until the physical one comes. So happy it's done and dusted. Aussie, stop. So we're having breakfast here at Jobinson's. This is a pretty good coffee. We usually get dirty chais. Let us know in the comments below what your coffee order is, because I just love dirty chais. Aussie's used to be a hot chocolate.
Nah, I used to be chai latte.
No, that was me.
Oh, mocha.
Yeah. So dirty chai is just chai latte with a shot of coffee. Just finished having our coffees. I still look very tired because I am. We've had a, oh my gosh, look at my dimple. It's so much more prominent. We had a very busy week. I just want to dedicate this vlog to a great general in the faith, Apostle Paddy Lewi'i, aka Dad. I don't want to say too much just out of respect for the family, but it's been a really hard, sad 3 days. And I just feel like such a pick-me because I just keep crying. But it's like, that's how much he impacted my life and my family's. I don't want to cry on here, but I just wanted you guys to know. I want to redeem my speech as well, because I am an emotional person. Like, I just can't handle the emotions. Just so you know, he was a great man of God. Just to give you some backstory, and he was the one who nurtured my family's faith when we first became Christians. This man took us in as his own. We ended up sleeping at his house for like a full month, probably, maybe longer. when my parents were in Samoa and we were just on fire for God. It was like our early Christian days, and the Lewiti family took us in and treated us just like their own. We had like breakfast, lunch, dinner together. We were all just scattered around their house. Wherever you could find a piece of space to sleep, yeah, that's where you slept. And I just will never forget those days. Like, I have such a heart of gratitude towards Pastor Paddy and his family, but especially Pastor Paddy and Mama Judy. Oh, they're just so loving. They're great people. And sorry guys, there's a parking situation going on back here, tooting their horn and stuff, but he just preached the word of God in just such a way that was so tangible, so that you could understand, not just for like old people. You know, when I grew up, I used to think that like church was only for old people. Giving your life to Christ was only for old people. When you got like 40, 50, 60, that was when you gave your life to Christ. But like when you're young, you're supposed to live. And my testimony is like, my family came to Christ before I turned 18. They had all of their fun. They got to go and do whatever they wanted to do, you know, going out and stuff like that. And I looked forward to it because I heard all the stories from when I was 8 years old onwards, because there's an 8-year gap from me and my oldest sister. And I was just like, okay, it's my turn soon. And then everyone decided, oh no, I'm done with that life. I'm going to give my life to Christ. And I was 17. So I turned 18 in the Lord. Like, I had my 18th birthday and I was in the Lord. And I'm just so grateful. Like, I will never, ever, ever forget the teachings and the seeds that, here we go again. And it's just such a hard loss. Like, I feel like such a pick-me. Sometimes when I'm driving, I just think of him. Like, I didn't see him often, and I hate that I never went to see him. Wait, let me fix myself. And I just want his family to know how much he actually meant to my family. The impact he had on my family is a big reason as to why we are where we are now. He gave us the solid foundation of Jesus, and that has helped us in every stage of our lives, in everything that we do, in our business, in how we think, how we act, and how we carry ourselves. So I dedicate this vlog to him and to his family, and I love you guys so much, and thank you for letting us be a part of his day. And yeah, I'm gonna stop being a pick-me now. So we're on our way to go shopping. Sorry to bring the vibes a bit down, but I just wanted to say that I wanted you guys to know, I wanted to honor him, and I just wish that I had done something like this when he was here so he could see and know. But I hope and I pray that deep down he did know what he did for us. But we are on our way to the market because, guys, I really want to make pho. I am obsessed with pho at the moment. I've been obsessed with pho for a long time just because I love the broth. The broth is just like my favorite. And if you don't know what pho is, people pronounce it pho. The correct pronunciation is pho. It's a Vietnamese soup, and I have so many Vietnamese people at my work, so I asked them for their recipe, and I need bone marrow. And I hope that it's gonna taste nice because we love having pho, and it's like $20-something a bowl. And I ain't trying to pay that much every time. So I'm gonna make a big pot and then we'll see how we go.
Yeah, but we're going to get some, we have to bring the vibe up there for the Saturday. So it's going to get some stuff from farmer's market. She's gonna cook today. Yeah, hopefully it's nice. And hopefully I like it. And yeah, I hope you guys are well.
Well, Siaosi's missing out. We're missing Siaosi today because she's at work, so she can't join in, but I know she'd be like so mad and annoyed that we're doing all of this without her. She hates working on weekends because obviously the weekends are our days off, so that's when we do what we need to do that we can't do during the week. And so yeah, she's always like, what did you guys do today? When we pick her up, we're like, oh, we did this and this. She's like, oh, must be nice.
No, must be nice.
Yeah, so yes, this is our beautiful Canberra. We'll see you guys in a bit. So you go, just go slow. Wait, slow down. You're on the footpath. Yeah, so you have to kind of be on the side, on your side, not on the footpath. If someone's walking there, you're gonna saw it. Slow down. Now we're going downhill, so yep, you got to have your foot on the brake. Oh, so you can come now.
Yeah.
That was really good.